Hello everybody, it's your sim from robotic. Welcome to another video. Now in this video, I got this contraption that I created for you guys. It's a wall art. This is a light bulb. We got a camera. Right here is a speaker. So the way it works is, right here we have an ultrasonic sensor. When you get about this close, 30 centimeters or 30 millimeters away from you get like 30 millimeters away from the sensor, this will go off, the light bulb will go off, the camera will turn on, it will take a picture of you, the speaker will call you ugly in IShowSpeed's device, then it will upload that picture to a Reddit. Right here we have an ultrasonic sensor. So the speaker is connected right here. The main device is our Raspberry Pi 4. We have the speaker connected to the Raspberry Pi 4. We got the camera connected to the Raspberry Pi 4's USB. The light here, the light bulb, is connected to this relay, right? This 5-volt relay. This relay is connected to the Raspberry Pi GPIO pin so that whenever everything is activated, the light bulb will turn on, the camera will turn on, then the speaker will call you ugly, then it will upload the picture to Reddit. So right here, I'll show you the power supply. Right on the side, this is where the power is connected. I have a little power brick here. This is a brick that has a Raspberry. This is a brick with a USB connected to the Raspberry Pi that's powering the Raspberry Pi. This part here, these are terminal blocks. This is powering the whole unit, including the light bulb, the speaker, and the camera. Now we're gonna test it out. By the way, everything was coded using Python. Now we're gonna test it out. So everything is plugged in right now. So when I get closer to this wall art, what's gonna happen is the light bulb should turn on. If the light bulb turned on, the camera turns on. It's gonna call me ugly, and it's gonna take a picture of me. That picture is gonna be sent to Reddit.
Right here, I have this subreddit that I created. It's called AMIBUSTED, Am I Busted? So I'll leave a link to that in the description. So if you scroll down, I took a picture of a towel by mistake because the sensor caught that. But this is basically what I tested out here. I got close to the camera. It took a picture of me. At first, it lit up the light bulb. Then it took a picture of me, then called me ugly. So these are the pictures that it took and uploaded to Reddit here.
Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys like this video, please give me a like. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. I'm Sim from robotic.com, and thank you guys for watching.